Hello everyone, welcome back to Contemporary Mama. If you are new, my name is Carolyn. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you will consider sticking around and subscribing. If you do, let me know in the comments down below so that I can get to know you. So I just cannot believe that I'm filming today's video. This has been in the works for over 6 months. If you had asked me last fall what my skincare routine was, I would have said, I wash my face and sometimes I apply moisturizer, and seriously, that was it. But I knew that if I didn't want to become a wrinkly old mess, I was gonna have to step it up. So I started looking into skincare routines online, and I kept coming across all these blogs and articles about this amazing 10-step Korean skincare routine. And now that I think about it, it makes total sense because Koreans are famous for having their beautiful, clear, amazing skin. So I was reading all about it and I just got totally overwhelmed, and I knew that I would never be able to stick with it. So I implemented a much simpler skincare routine, and I've been keeping up with it for the last 6 months. So after about 6 months, I knew it was time to step it up a little bit because I still have a lot of skincare issues that I really wanted to address. I have large pores, I have a ton of redness, and I still have acne. So I'm going to be giving I have been giving the Korean skincare routine a try for the last 30 days. Today is 30 days exactly that I have been doing it, and I'm going to be sharing with you what products I'm using, the 10 steps in action, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my results. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to be telling you if I think that this is something that the average American mom or just the busy person in general can realistically implement into their day-to-day routine, and if it's worth it. Did I get good results? Did any of my skincare issues clear up? So stick around and you will find out the answers to all those questions. Just so you know, I'm going to be starting with the nighttime routine, and then after I will be showing you the morning skincare routine.
All right, I think every girl out there can agree that a skincare routine has to start with putting your hair back. Now, this isn't a part of the Korean skincare routine, but I really like using a makeup wipe to remove my eye makeup. I just think it does a really good job of getting every last bit. All right, now we can really get started. The first step in the Korean skincare routine is to use an oil-based cleanser. You're going to apply this to dry skin, and it will break down and melt away any makeup or sunscreen on your skin. Now we're going to move on to the second part of the double cleansing process. You're going to use a foaming cleanser that will gently and thoroughly make sure that your skin is completely clean. You might think using 2 cleansers is unnecessary, but I promise you, cleansing is the most important part of your skincare routine. Now, instead of rubbing your face dry with a towel, you want to gently pat it so you don't pull on your skin. Now, 1 to 2 times a week, you want to exfoliate your skin. Sometimes I use this St. Ives scrub, and sometimes I use the exfoliating attachment on my spin brush. Now with a cotton round, I'm going to apply a toner all over my face and neck. This is going to balance the pH of my skin, which will protect it and prep it for the rest of the products. Next, I'm applying an essence, which is all about hydration because it contains water-binding agents. I love this one because it's not only Korean, but it comes in this handy spritz bottle, so I just have to spritz it all over my face. It is a little bit wet when it's all done, so I'm just fanning my face to let it dry. The next step is to apply your serum, and this is where you can really personalize it to your specific skincare needs. Like if you have dry skin, if you want something firming or brightening. I apply the serum all over my face and then I use my fingers to really press it into my pores. You definitely don't want to forget your neck, so I'm applying some with an upward motion. Alright, now it's time for a sheet mask, and you don't have to do this step every night, but the Korean women do use them several times per week. Again, this is where you can personalize it to suit your skincare needs. I got a big variety pack of Korean sheet masks on Amazon. I will make sure to link them in the description box. If there is any extra product left in the package, don't let it go to waste. You can apply that to your chest and arms and put it to good use. After you let your sheet mask sit for about 15 minutes, don't wash your face after. You want to tap in any remaining product with your fingers. Alright, now it's time to apply your eye cream, and this is really important to depuff and hydrate the under eye area. You just want to tap it in gently with your ring finger. You don't want to drag it across that delicate skin. If you don't have time to do a sheet mask, then you can always apply a Korean sleeping mask. At the end of your skincare routine, you apply it, you sleep on it, and then you wash it off in the morning. It is a little bit sticky, so you want to let it dry for a couple of minutes before you go to bed. I love this one that I got on Amazon. It is so cute. It smells like lemons, and it has a little spoon that you use to scoop out the product, which is great for hygienic reasons. This one specifically is formulated with vitamin C and creates a more even skin tone, which is perfect for me since I have a ton of redness. Now to seal everything in, you want to apply a nighttime moisturizer. This Olay night cream has been my favorite for a long time. It is so rich and hydrating, and I love using products like these at nighttime because I have oily skin, so I prefer a much lighter moisturizer during the day. Now that your skin is so soft and feels amazing, you are all set to go get a good night's sleep. The morning routine starts with the foaming cleanser. You can skip the oil cleanser since you don't have any makeup or sunscreen on. You of course want to pat your face dry instead of rubbing it with the towel. Now, similar to my nighttime routine, I am going to apply toner all over my face as well as to my neck in an upwards motion before I spritz on my essence spray. Then I'm going to press in the serum as well as applying it to my neck in an upwards motion. I'm going to gently pat in my eye cream using my ring finger before I seal everything in with my daytime firming moisturizer. To finish off your morning skincare routine, you want to apply a sunscreen. This was a big adjustment for me, but the trick is to find a lightweight, non-greasy sunscreen. Now your skin is prepped and ready for the day. You can apply your makeup or just head out as is because you have glowing, radiant skin.
So now that you know all the steps and what it all entails, let's talk about my thoughts on it. The first thing that really surprised surprised me is how quickly you can perform all of these steps. It seems like a lot on paper, but when you're actually doing it, it takes less than 5 minutes. As long as you're not doing the sheet mask, that obviously adds more time. But on your average day-to-day, it only takes about 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes at night, which I think is pretty doable. So the second thing I want to talk about is my results. So the first thing I want to mention is that the texture of my skin has completely changed. It is so plump, it is so soft, my makeup applies much more smoothly, and I think that is probably because my skin is adequately hydrated for the first time in my life. I mean, the change is dramatic. I also think that my skin tone is more even, I have less redness, and I don't know if that's from the toner or the sleeping mask is actually a whitening sleeping mask. So I'm not sure which one of those it was that evened out my skin tone, but I am loving it because that means when I don't wear makeup, I have less redness to worry about. My pores on my cheeks do seem a little bit smaller. The ones on my forehead and my nose seem about the same. But the one thing that I am really disappointed about is that my acne is not any better. I mean, you saw in those clips, I still had a bunch of acne on my chin. I do suffer from hormonal type acne, and I was really disappointed that that didn't get any better, although this skincare routine really doesn't include any sort of acne products. It's really more of anti-aging, hydrating type routine. So I think if I incorporate some of my acne products into it, then I'll have better results on that. So overall, I'm really loving it. I think that I will easily be able to keep this up and keep working it into my daily routine. All the products that I had to purchase, I'm going to link down in the description box. Most of them I was able to get on Amazon, which makes it so convenient. So I will leave the links to those so that you can check them out. If you do want to purchase any of the products, I really appreciate you using my links. Some of them are affiliate links, which means I earn literally a couple of pennies at no additional cost to you. So things like that really help to support my channel. Since it is so small, I don't make any money at all. So if you want to purchase anything, I would really appreciate it if you would use my link. It really helps support and help me grow my channel. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you found it useful. I hope you'll leave me a comment down below and let me know what types of products and what types of routines that you use when you take care of your skin. I will see you on Thursday with another video. Have a great day. Bye.